in this video, I will show you how can we install an existing Laravel website in Hostinger server. So I just logged into my Hostinger, and if I go to my website list, and I will see this is my website and the domain is connected and it's a blank website, and go to the dashboard and go to file manager, and then I have to upload my existing file as a zip format. Go to public, and as you can see, no file here. Go to my file directory. So it's my existing website. I just build with Jam, customize with Jam. As you can see, it's a existing website as a zip format, and simply drag and drop here, or you can upload by click on this option and to upload here. And it's uploading. It will take few seconds to upload. It actually depends on your internet speed. Alright, upload is done, and it's time to extract this file. So click on this file and click on the extract option and click one here, and so you can use the / and click on the extract option, and it's processing. And as you can see, this is the file. If you click on the double click on this file, and this the Laravel file, and mark all the file and click on the move button, or you can mark all file or click on this arrow icon to move this file to the home, the public_HTML directory. So go to the public_HTML directory and click on the move option, and as you can see, it's moved to the public directory. And I need to configure with the database. So go to your Hostinger and go to the database option and provide here the database. So I just provide here the database name. So name is database exist, and I just provide here the same MySQL username, and generate a strong password, and copy this password and click on the create option, and database successfully created. Now click on the enter psmyadmin. It will go to this database option, and we need to import our database file. Click on this import option, and you can choose your database. You can drag and drop your database file here. I just drop the database file here, and it's uploading. And as you can see, the upload is done. Click on this option and check it once more time. It's perfectly fine. And go to your file manager again and click on the .env file. Make sure you have to configure this file properly with your database. Double click on this file, and we have to provide here few essential information. First of all, the app URL information. So this is our app. I just copy this app URL, your installation path. So provide here your main domain path, or if you have subdomain, so you can provide here your subdomain or subdirectory, but make sure provide here the correct path here. And second option, we have to provide here the database name. So I here the correct information, your database name, database username, database password. So how can you get this information? When you create, you can copy this credential, or you can go to your Hostinger and go to your website again and go to the database option, and here is your database name. You can copy the database name, username, and your password. So you can change your password, and you can update this password and provide here the correct information and click on the save button and visit your website. And as you can see, the website is working fine. So in this way, we can deploy our existing Laravel website in Hostinger server. But here is the problem that you can see. It's not a problem. Actually, it's a Laravel debug option. So we can turn off this in the easiest way. Again, go to the .env file, and here, as you can see, app debug is true. So you can make it false, and click on this save button again and go to the website and refresh it. Hola, it's working fine. As you can see, it's working fine. So in this way, we can successfully deploy existing Laravel website in our server, in our hosting server especially. So this is the way. So if you really like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and you can thumbs up in this video.